Hello class, about this question, latihan 39. Draw the structural formula of alcohols as followed. So as you can see, there is one strange thing that you haven't been exposed to about methyl. Okay, methyl. Actually, methyl, in other words, is like a branch, a cabang. So to draw this one, you need to understand what is the meaning of methyl. So methyl is a branch, cabang. So what does a methyl look like? It looks like this. C, C, C. And then there is another C on top of the long chain. Okay, I explain it one more time. If you see a long chain of carbon chain, and then you suddenly see there is a cabang or branch there, that is called methyl. If it's one, satu, C. But if it's like this, CC, this is ethyl. So what I'm talking about is actually the branch, the group, this one is actually derived from the met, et, prop. Same thing, same like the homologous series, but just that this is a branch, cabang dia. So if there is only one C in this branch, we call that methyl. If there are two C's, C bond C, we call that ethyl. And if you see suddenly the long chain and then this one here, there's another C, C, C. There are three C there, so that one is called propyl, P-Y-L, sorry, P-Y-L. Okay, I hope you understand that one. It's actually cabang, cabang. So how to draw this one, the structural formula for this alcohol? You draw the propanol first. Propanol is from C3, right? C3. C3H7OH. From where I got this is from the general formula. CnH2n plus 1 OH, where C is equal to 3. Okay, the N is equal to 3. Means the C is 3 lah. So C3H san liu jia I chi OH. Okay, so this is the formula. So you should understand that propanol is actually an alcohol with 3C. So we draw C, C, C. And then we draw H7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would like to draw my OH at the back. Okay, so this one will be H, 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 H. Okay, so this is done. For propanol, it's done. But that is not what the question wants you to draw. The question wants you to draw 2-methyl. 2-methyl propanol. You already draw propanol, but you have not drawn this one yet. So how to draw that one is, you need to erase one H here and replace it with C. And then you remember the first rule that I taught you about drawing this structural formula. One C atom should have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. So same goes to this C. Wherever it is, you must remember that one C ada 4 bonds. 1 bond. So you should draw another 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I will draw it out here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it looks like that. If you want to draw a longer chain, a longer bond for this one, also can. So it will be like this, C, so that your drawing will be nicer. Okay, so this is 2-methyl propanol. Let me explain one more time. What should you consider when you want to draw propanol? Propanol 3C, 1, 2, 3. So you just derive the formula from the general formula first, and then you draw C 3 H 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, chi supposed to be 7 lah, but in this case it's no more 7. Why? Because another H is replaced by the branch 2-methyl. Why I draw here, not here, or not here? It's because of this one, 2. these two in front indicate that the branch is situated at the second carbon. This is first, this is second, this is third. Okay, 2-methyl means the methyl CH3 is situated at the second carbon. Okay, so how to draw this one? 2-methyl propan 2-ol. Propan we have 3 carbon. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. And propanol looks like this. Means that propanol, the ol is not mentioned where it's situated at. Okay, but in this case, if it is not situated, we always assume that it's in the first one or it's in the third one. Okay, but in this case, since it mentioned here propan 2-ol, so you should draw the OH at the second carbon. Remember, when the soalan mentioned 2-ol, 3-ol, 4-ol, that indicates where the where the hydroxyl group is located. So this one located at the second one, because in propan we have 3 carbon, and at the second carbon we have the alcohol hydroxyl group. Next, as I have mentioned earlier, methyl is a branch. Okay, methyl is a branch. Where is it situated? It's situated in the second carbon. So second carbon, you draw a C here with 1, 2, 3 H. Okay, 1, 2, 3 H. So the rest of the carbon, one carbon must have 4 bonds. Okay, this one, first bond, second bond, third bond, fourth bond. So H, H, H. This one will be the same also. H, and then H, and then H. Okay, so this is what a 2-methyl propan 2-ol looks like. I hope you can understand this one. You have a lot of exercises after this about drawing the structural formula. This is just a little bit of introduction, early introduction. Finish the rest of the exercise and pass up your homework in Google Classroom. Thank you.